Morning guys, James from Motorhome Retrofits. So today we are working on this French motorhome. It's come over from the south of France. We're fitting a Wi-Fi system and also upgrading the USB socket in the living area, and then we'll come back to show you once it's all done. Okay, so we're going to start off with the digital dash gadget, as we call it. Ordinarily this would be fitted in the centre of the vehicle. Because we've got the Alpine system installed, we can't do that. Now, because this is a left-hand drive, this would be mirror image but on the right hand side, so that it's easily accessible by the driver. Now, this little dash gadget is really handy because we've got a digital speedo, which you're not going to get on the FIAT dashboard. You've got the electronic compass. So you've got your north, east, south, west, which is quite handy as well, just so you can see which way you're heading for when you're about to set up your pitch. You've got your live time, which you can change. You've also then got your voltage of your vehicle battery, which you can check if you've got a motorhome, but to have it handily available on your dashboard is quite cool. Temperature, which displays real-time temperature within the vehicle, not outside, it's inside, but that can be changed from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You've got then the pitch angle and the roll angle, and that's really handy because it doesn't matter where it's been set, you can reset it, so that it doesn't matter, even if it was fitted like this, it can be reset. You've also got then the elevation, altitude as well, which is quite cool, all be set up for your particular vehicle. Now we're going to jump in the back and talk about the Wi-Fi. Right, so we are done and dusted. This is the 5G ready system, which is a white antenna on the roof and a 4G flex system. So in this particular motorhome, there's a lot going on. We've got a lot of technology in here. So Richard, when discussing it with the customer, agreed on, rather than taking out the shelf and losing handy storage, we'd go on with a bottom mounted Wi-Fi. So this Wi-Fi here, the bracket has been fitted in, lying down flat, and then the Wi-Fi device all connected and just slides into the brackets like so. You can still get access to the SIM card, and all the antennas are nice and neatly P-clipped up into the main storage area for the power, and then the antenna is on the roof of the vehicle, so we'll grab a picture of that and we'll be able to show you that. And this is the black 4G flex system as well. Now, at the same time, the customer also came to us with one of his USB ports. It was a single channel USB and it had failed. So what we've done is we fitted a dual USB underneath here. That works on the auxiliary power for the vehicle, so when the leisure battery is off, it's off, and when you turn it on, it comes on. So that now means that whilst they're sat here having their dinner or charging a device, phones or Bluetooth or music, whatever, you've then got dual USB capability in here. So French motorhome, come all the way down from us, down from the south of France. We have fitted a Wi-Fi system with a 5G antenna, 5G ready antenna, and a 4G flex, and also upgraded the USB. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want Wi-Fi, any other extras from 240 to 12 volt charging, get in touch with us. It's www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. We're based in Poole on the south coast. All of our work here is guaranteed, and have a read of our reviews. Thanks for watching.